Hello guys, what is up? In this video, we are going to show you how to connect ManyChat to Make.com. Now you need two things. You need ManyChat and you need Make.com both logged into your accounts. And once you are here, click on settings. When you're in your settings, you want to click on API here on the extensions. Now here, you're going to see generate your API key. You can't do this on the free account. You can only do this on the paid plans. Once you have created your API key, go to make.com and just go to scenario. So create a new scenario, right? Like so. Click on this, search for ManyChat, right? There we go. Click ManyChat and then scroll down. Maybe you want to start, send a text like so. Here you want to click on create a connection and then just paste your access token here from your settings from ManyChat and click save and you will be good to go. So pretty much it. That's the video. Hope you liked it. Like, comment, share, subscribe, ring that bell icon. I'll see you on the next video.